All right, so part one of the uncertainty measurements lab, we're going to use a standard mass. So this is 200 grams, which means it should measure out to 200 grams, exactly. So we're going to put it on the triple beam balance first. So I'm going to set it on there. And you can see that with all of these starting ones at 0, that this line is way up. We're going to get down at eye level, but I know I'm going to use the heaviest one first, and then this heaviest one, second heaviest, and then the least. You can tell based on the measurements. So these measure to hundredths, and then to the tens, to the ones, and then there's little millimeter in there that measure, or not millimeter, but, well, yeah, but that measure to the tenths place. So I can see that when I move it over 1 to the hundreds, it's still really high. So I'm going to move it over again to 200, and I want to move it so that the little thing is in a divot. And I'm going to go ahead and look at this line here, and I want those to match up. So I'm going to get down at eye level. And is that matched up? Maybe it's a little low. So I'm going to take it back to 100 over here, and I'm going to take this all the way up to 90. So there's 190. So 100 plus 90, and then I'm going to move this little guy over pretty close to 10, since that would equal 200, which it looked like it was maybe a little under 200. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get this to be exactly on the line, and then we'll do a measurement. So I'm going to put it here so that we can get it right at the level, and then I'm just sort of like tapping this over until it becomes even. So just little taps until that becomes even. I've got to wait for it to balance out. So now it's obviously high, so I need to go a little bit heavier over here, push that a little bit further. And I'm going to keep doing this until they get equal, and then I'm going to go and insert a picture of what that looks like. Let's see. Again, finding that equal. Is that a little high? Keep going. We're almost there. Okay, I'm going to keep doing this. And then we'll find an even spot. I'll insert a picture here for you guys.